Good day everyone. Do you have AC or fan on your farm? If yes, this video is not for you, but if you are a local farmer like me, I will be teaching you how to reduce heat stress in your pen. I went to check on my birds and noticed my birds were panting. I swung into action immediately to reduce heat buildup and reduce stress on them using water. Note: you must regularly check on your birds at intervals to avoid heat stress as the weather is getting hotter by day. The local way of reducing heat stress in birds is by getting clean water and sprinkle as droplets, just like I'm doing in the video. Ensure you do this in moderation and avoid soaking them in water to avoid getting them sick. If you have a sprayer, that works fine too. Are you seeing them now? Most of them are calm and better. For those still panting, you identify them and sprinkle on them. Thanks for watching. Like, comment. And subscribe to my channel for more poultry tips.